These three cars are under my microscope, all under 150,000 dirham. Which one are you choosing? At first glance it seems an impossible decision. All three look incredible in their own way. But if we're judging purely on presence, the BMW edges it for me. The shape is sharp, the stance is confident, and it has that road dominance look that just works. Then you step inside, and it gets even harder to choose. Each cabin brings its own personality, and materials that feel properly high-end. Bold screens, premium finishes, you can tell they were built to impress. The Jeep goes for a stripped-back, rugged vibe that's more about function and agility. The BMW and Land Rover lean harder into comfort and experience. Same level of grandeur, just totally different moods. Now, if we're talking interiors alone, I've got to give this round to Land Rover. The cabin feels next level, and that screen is genuinely hard to ignore. And listen to this. That's quality. Now, under the hood, things get interesting. If you're into smooth, efficient performance, the BMW and Land Rover both deliver with inline-4 engines. The Jeep, though, takes a different route. With a proper V6, you might lose out on that flashy screen, but you get that punchy go-anywhere energy. Let's be real, Jeep power is hard to say no to. And the 0 to 100 times don't make this any easier. Jeep at 7.5 seconds, the Land Rover at 6.6, and the BMW at 5.4. That BMW is quick. All things considered, I'm driving away in the Land Rover. It's the one I can picture doing everything in, from grocery runs to long trip, without ever feeling like a compromise. So if you've got 150,000 dirham, which one are you choosing? Come experience them for yourself. Make that call in person. Now available at Alba Cars.